All right. So welcome to this live session here with your host, Judy FX. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the ES30. So we're going to focus on that specifically. If we have good setup, we're going to look at them also. But I'm more focused on US30 here in this live. So make sure to like and subscribe. Always like and subscribe, guys. Let's get it here. So we're going to start with looking at the news calendar to see exactly if we have any news today. Let's see here. Just gonna double check if I have the news calendar open. It's not open yet. Give me, hold on. All right, so let's go back here and go. There we go. Perfect. So let's look at the news. So in the news today, we don't have any red folder, anything like that in regards to the US. We had a few news here that are orange folder. So core durable goods orders, so 0.5%. So that's positive. And dual goods orders month to month. So 5.3%. So that's positive. You could click on it on Forex Factory. Best place to look at the news. So it says greater than the forecast. That's positive. That's exactly what we have. So positive news overall. So other than that, we don't have anything else. Let's look at the euro this morning at London, German IFO business climate. 87.6, 88.3. So that's negative news overall. So other than that, nothing else today. So that's perfect. So let's click on that. So let's look at the TV alert app. All right, so TV alert app. This is an app that I created here, guys, to for traders here that has some community. Or originally, I created it for me because of my eye conditions. I wanted to have some alert coming in, so that way I'm not going to strain my eyes staying on the charts 24/7 just to look at entries or anything like that. So I coded my indicator with the entries, and I just wanted to wait for an actual confirmation for an entry after that. And basically that's what I created here, and I just build it, and now we're at the end of the build up of this app. So pretty nice app here overall. So you have the news ticker here, you have the signal ticker, and you have the market ticker here at the top. You have the alert feed. That is the latest alert feed. Right now, we had a sell on Euro GBP from the Asian sniper that came in here. That's the setup that we have. And you have the history list of the alerts for today. So today we had overall 8 signals here. That combines my signals and his signals here. But it depends again if you're registered to his community. So everyone has its own community. So not everyone will have the same signals that will come in, depending exactly on the person that you're following. And also you have the live chart. So you have access to a live chart here that is strictly from TradingView. And you could look at the setup here before going on actual your TradingView account. So you could click on open in TradingView. It's going to open up the TradingView, your live TradingView here that you're able to log in and all that stuff. If you want to, if you have your own indicator or anything like that, you're going to be able to do that. but you can always look at the chart right there. And you have the community chat. So right now we have, as you can see, we had some comments here today. And you have Leon that just put in a note here on the community chat. So you could talk to the owner of the alert that you're receiving if you have any questions. And also you have mods here that are AI mods. So you could talk to them. And then at the bottom, you have the TV Economic Calendar. So this is basically providing you with the high impact news here for the day. So for now, we only have, let me check here, 24, 28. So the next high impact news is on the 28th. So from now until then, we don't have any high impact news. So that will be on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday is the 28th. So that will be the next high impact news day. So that's perfect. So this is the TV Alert app. And let's look at trading view. So we could look at setup here that we may see here for market open. So right now, what you're seeing here is my supply and demand zone indicator that has VWAP and POC included. So VWAP and POC, basically, the VWAP is precisely the volume weighted average price. So it's bullish here. And the point of control is really used as a support or resistance zone for the price. And also you have a break of structure. So you have the supply demand zone. So right now you have the demand zone right here. That means that there was a lot of buyers here at that point that pushed the price up. We had a supply zone that was broken to the upside. Right now, what we're waiting for, and what I'm waiting for, is basically a retest of that zone to continue to go up, or to have a break to the downside here. So we're going to see exactly how it's going to go. But overall, should be bullish here for this, because we're bearish here pretty much all week last week. So waiting for bounce off of that level to go up. Everything is looking bullish here. So you're not supposed to be looking for sells overall. And look at the 4 hour. Everything is looking bullish here. So we're waiting for it to pass that point, and we could put a fib here off of that swing low, swing high. So swing high, swing low. Put it on this. All right, and as you can see, 50% is right here. So basically we're at that 50% zone. So we may continue to the upside. If we break that, if we do a retest of that zone, we should be continuing to the upside, maybe to look at the 61.8. So that's what we're looking for. So we're 9:26. We're going to see exactly what's going to happen here at market open. And that's what we're going to be looking for. All right. So still have 4 minutes before market open. So we're just going to wait it out. All right. So we had a breakup structure right here. I'm just going to make sure that I'm on the right thing. All right, perfect. So we'll see how the market will open, and we're just going to wait it out. And wait for a reaction. I'm overall bullish here in the market, but I'm pretty sure that we may have it may start to grab some liquidity at the bottom before going up. We do have a 61.8 retracement here. We're at 50% already. It seems to trying to break to the upside. If we do that, we should be going to the upside. So I'm waiting for it to go down and maybe go towards this fair value gap here. So we do have a fair value gap right here. I'm just gonna pull it up here. I think I removed it in my list. Whoops. There you go. I'm just gonna go on my favorites here. BG. There you go. Yeah. So we have a fair value gap right here. Went to it, and now it's pushing to the upside. So we may not go back to it. I think it's already done. Is set up, but we may have a retracement here. So we're just waiting for it for the market to open in about 2 minutes to give us an indication here. We have a correction here towards this this zone. We also have this one right here. So, and remember this 9-hour candle, the 4-hour candle here, sorry, is gonna close in about let's see here. It will close at 10. So I'm most likely bullish here on that move for the next 4 hours here. So let's go back here. So I'm expecting to have a retracement here at market open. So what I'm expecting here is price to do this, to go towards this zone and to go up. So that's what is expecting here. All right, so we got a few seconds here before market start up the market. All right, so it's 9 o'clock. We went to that zone. Now we went to grab some liquidity here. So market open, you just have to sit on your hands, wait it out. I'm waiting for it to go towards this level. If so, I'm going to okay, so I think I missed the entry. All right, so I'm in. I'm in on that buy. All right, so let's still bullish here. This my all right, so we're gonna wait it out here. So we had so it went to that 61.8, was it? Yeah. So it went to that 61.8. Now it's retracing. But if we have 61.8, the next level here is the 78.6 that is pretty much at that supply zone right here. So that supply zone is pretty much at this point right here. So let me all right, so going back here, I'm just gonna show you exactly my live trade that I took. So you can see exactly that I'm in that trade. All right. So my take profit, I put it at that supply zone right here. So I'm just gonna wait it out to see exactly if I'm able to trail it, starting to trail a little bit. My entry originally would be a little bit lower here. I would have been well in profit, but it's all good. So US30 is a buy. So we just got a buy signal. So that's perfect. So that means that we're in the right direction. So let's get it. So just waiting for it to push a little bit more. So I can start putting my trade at least break even. And then we're just gonna let it run. Russell 2000 buy, you have US30 buy and a Russell 2000 buy. So if you trading with a Russell 2000, it's a buy also. And remember, on that 6-hour candle, we were still pushing The 4-hour candle on the that started at 6 o'clock this morning. We're bullish here, and overall the market is bullish. So that's the reason why I took that trade. So now it's a free trade. All right. So already put my trade a little bit in profit, and we're gonna let it run. Nice, 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 nice. That's perfect. So nice profits. That's perfect. So let's go back here on the chart and see what's up. Whoops. All right. So I think it's gonna stop me. It's gonna stop me out here at $55. Maybe it's gonna push a little bit more. All right, so stop me out in profit. So we're going to all right. So I'm on that 15, so that's perfect. Let's see. So it may start to reverse also because we're at 61.8 for that retracement. So I think it went to grab the liquidity and then it should start to go down. So I'm already out of that trade. Usually I was going to get the trade here in profit. Let it run a little bit, but come on, guys. Let's see. NASDAQ buy also. All right, so now it's retracing. So this play that I put in is still valid here. So we may have a retracement here before continuing to the upside. This candle, there's a lot of imbalance here off of it. So My actual entry, like I said here, was a bounce off of that level here to go up, but we almost went there and then shoot up here at market open. But we may have a retracement here to the downside. But overall, we're still bullish here. The VWAP POC is still bullish. So this one will be a pullback. So if it's pulling back, it needs to pull back from at this point here or at this point here. All right. All right. So let's see. All right. So 944. So we're gonna have a new candle here. I'm pretty sure that this candle will retrace, will pull back. So 945. Let's see how this candle will go. We have a pullback here. All right, so we're pushing here. Remember, we have a 4 hour. Let's see here. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, that 4 hour candle. At 10 o'clock, there's a 4 hour candle. So I'm most likely it's going to retrace. So if we, I'm just going to minimize the indicator. I'm going to remove it and see exactly market structure. Drawings. All right, so let's redo it again. So same thing, you put a fib off of that swing high to swing low. So the swing low is right here. All right. So as you can see, that's on the 4 hour. So we're at 61.8. We're pushing a little bit more. But also we have if, and I say if we are at a point of reversal, we put a swing low to swing high fib. So I'll put it off of that top wick here of this current 4 hour candle because it's going to be done in about less than 50 minutes. So this is basically a point of reversal. And also you see that this candle opened up without any wicks. It went straight up. So this is a fair value gap. So I'm pretty sure if I open up my FVG right here, oops, this one. And I'm gonna put another 1 hour. There you go. You see, we have a fair value gap right here. You can clearly see it. And we have a fair value gap right here also. So we're in between two fair value gaps. All right. So this is a bearish fair value gap. This is a bullish fair value gap. So we may have a retracement off of it, off of that FVG for a bearish fair value gap. So most likely the next 4 hour candle may start to retrace and go towards those previous fair value gaps here at the bottom. So that's what I'm expecting. So let's go into 15. And as you can see, we went to that zone and now we're playing a little bit here. So most likely the next zone will be, the next candle will be a sell candle here in about 9 minutes, less than 9 minutes here from now. All right. Sure to like and subscribe, like and subscribe. So there's a little bit of exhaustion here on the current price action. So we're at like I said, we're at 61.8. The 78.6 level is right here. All right, so add that supply zone. So you could do two things. It could go straight to the upside. That would be a big FVG. But like I said, on the 4 hour, we have a bearish FVG right here at this zone right here. and we have a one on the, I'm pretty much at this point right here, pretty much here on the 4 hour. So usually the 4 hour has bigger meaning than the lower time frame. The lower time frame is basically setting up for the 4 hour. So that 4 hour candle will close in less than 8 minutes. So that new candle will most likely retrace and based off of that, I'll prepare myself here to be prepared to get maybe in on a sell. So we'll see. And that will be basically a retracement sell. And if you retrace, I had it at, oops, I'm just going to go back here. Boop. I had the retracing off of this zone here. So if it wants to go down, we have most likely a fair value gap here. And I'm going to open up the fib. So we should see a fair value gap appear pretty much right here. Yep. You see it? We have one here and one here. So most likely we're going to get a bounce here off of it. All right. So I'm going to take a sell. I'm going to put my stop loss here at the top of those wicks. And my take profit will be take profit will be the first zone is right here, the second one is right here. So currently in the cells here. Just risking about what, $200, and I'm going to make sure that I put my stop loss higher than those wicks just to make sure. So currently I'm risking about 200 to make 600, maybe more, but that's pretty much what I would expect the price to go to. So I have my take profit right here. So we'll see how it goes. So far we have one win. We're looking for a second one. So I have my stop loss pretty much at that point. I'm just going to put my my line here. Have it pretty much right here. And my TP is at that fib here. That is the 50%. So that's right here. All right. All right. So looking good here. So we still have 2 minutes left before top of the hour. And the indicator that I'm showing you guys is an indicator that I created. So you're not gonna see it anywhere else than here. So if you wanna have access to it, or you wanna do one-on-ones, make sure to go on the description box of this live. There'll be a form that you could fill out, and we could get on the call and see exactly if it's a good fit. So everything that and I do custom indicators also EAs. So and I have that alert platform that I'm almost done with. So I'm just waiting for that new candle to open, so we could see what's going on. So we have a buy NASDAQ signal. All right, so new candle can open. No TP. The TP. Stop loss, take profit. Mhm. All right, so top of the hour. All right, so still pushing here. I'm just gonna close this. There you go. Remember, guys, I'm just trading the pullback. Got my TP zone pretty much at this point here, or that off of that 50% retracement. We may go towards this one also, but this zone was pretty much a supply zone that was that seems to be creating here. So all right, so we're gonna wait maybe another what, 10 minutes. So if we go back on, let's see here, I'm gonna go on the 4-hour, look at what's happening here on the 4-hour here. So 4-hour is looking, yeah, to retrace here. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Still playing with people here. So we still have 10:09. So we'll see exactly on that last 6 minutes here what it wants to do. It went grab with liquidity twice here at the top. So, and you could calculate the amount of bullish candle that we had here before that stall here at the top. So we need to grab liquidity at the bottom because we have a lot of at that level we had a lot of sellers here that were here. So now we just have to wait to get some liquidity at the bottom here to be able to push the price higher. But if we don't have that, we may start to retrace here. And remember that 4-hour candle is just started here at 10. So I'm just gonna go back here so y'all can see. So this is the level that we have. Let me check if I'm on the right. Just gonna remove this. There you go. So we have that fib retracement. And what the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? Why did it did that? Wait. All right, so now it's pushing here. Mm-hmm. All right, so I think it's gonna top me out. Not yet. We are still pushing here. All right, so I'm out of that trade. So that means that we have a push to the upside still. Seems he wants to go towards what I was waiting for buy. Thought it was going to retrace, but this was a big indication that it may start to go up. All right, it's all good. So today we're at 50%. Just going to refresh my I'll see on dashboard. So this is my dashboard here. Lost 292. It's all good. First day of the week. We're still in profit overall. And we're just going to continue pushing forward here. All right. So thanks so much for being on this live here, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And we're going to be doing another session here tomorrow at the same time. All right. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.